Hi, today we will learn how to implement phone number verification by OTP using Firebase in Android. So let's start. First we create our project. So open your Android Studio. So click on start a new Android Studio project. Here we select empty activity, click on next. Name of your application, OTP verification. Here we choose the language Java, click on finish. So first we connect our Android Studio with our Firebase. So click on Tools, Firebase. Then click Authentication, Email and Password Verification. Here we connect our Firebase to our app. So click on Connect to Firebase. Remember your Android Studio login ID must be same as your Firebase login ID. Now click Connect to Firebase. Here you can see that our app is connected to the Firebase. Now click on Add Firebase Authentication to your app. Click on Accept Changes. So here you can see dependency set up correctly. Now click on App Level Build.gradle. Here we change minimum SDK 16 and the Firebase or dependency is added here. Now we use upgraded version. So change 19.3.2. Add one more dependency. And add one plugin. Now click on Sync Now. Now open your Firebase console on your browser. Here you can see our project is created. Click on OTP verification. Then click on authentication. Sign in method. Here we enable our phone option. Click on save. Here you can see the option is enabled. Now click on project setting. Here we download our Google services.json and copy it in your project. Here we change to project app. We paste here Google services.json. Click on OK. Now Android. Now open your manifest file. In this file, we add internet permission because our app needs internet for sending OTP. Now we design our layout. So open RDS, layout, activity mean.xml. So here we use relative layout. And we create background. Click on travel resource file, emit background. Here we use item. And inside this item element, we use shape element. And we choose a gradient background. So for that, we use gradient element. Now open activity main.xml. Here we add our background. Now inside this relative layout, we add one spinner. This spinner will show the country code. And to provide the style for a spinner, we open values folder, then style.xml. Here we add the style for spinner text. Click on activity main.xml. Here style spinner. Now we create the background for the spinner. So click on travel resource file. Here we name it custom. Here we use shape, rectangle. Now click on activity main.xml. Here we add background. Now we add one edit text for phone number. Now add one more edit text for OTP. Now we add one button. Now we add one text view that's showing the timer. Then we add one button to verify and sign in. Our layout is completed. Now create one activity for sign in. So here we select empty activity, name it sign in. Now click on activity, sign in. Here we use relative layout. Here we add one text view. And add one button. Now click on main activity. Here we fetch our button text view edit text from XML file by using find view by ID. So now we add the country code in our spinner. So for that we create one class and name it country details. Here we create one array of string type. Here I'm going to paste some country code. I'll provide these country codes in description area. Now click on activity, main activity. So here we create one array adapter of type string. Here we pass this. We create one layout for spinner text. So here we name it spinner item. We use one text view. Now click on main activity. Here we add r.layout.spinner item and pass our array. So country details dot country code. Now spinner dot set adapter. Here we pass country code. Now we create one method for Firebase login. So name it Firebase login. First we define Firebase auth and name it auth. And create one phone auth provider on. Now we work on Firebase login. Here auth equals to, we define Firebase instance. Now we create two methods, on verification complete and on verification failed. So when our verification is complete, it will display one toast message that display verification is complete. On verification method, we also display one toast message that display the verification failed message. Copy this, paste here. Here we change the message verification failed. Now create one more method on code send. Control O on code send. And this method is called when verification is done and code is sent to your mobile. Create one string. Create one string. Type private. When code is sent, it display one toast message. Now we work on generate OTP button. So in onCreate method, use button.generate.set onClick listener. So first we get the text from spinner and edit text. Then we get the text from phone number edit text. After that we set one error. When mobile number is empty, it display error. Mobile, please provide mobile number. Then it display one error, phone number dot set error, and here we provide one message, provide phone number. Now we take two string phone number, get phone number, get OTP. So here we use get phone number and we add both the spinner text and our phone. Now we set button dot visibility visible, and our OTP button also visible. After that, phone dot provider dot get instance dot verify phone number, and inside this method we pass our get phone number. This is the number to verify. Then we pass our timeout. Now units of timeout, second. Then activity for callback binding, mean activity dot this. And then on verification state change callback. So here we pass 5 parameters: get phone number, our timeout, unit of timeout, our activity for callback binding, and on verification state change callback. Now start timer. So when I click on generate OTP, our timer is a start. I will create this method. I will change to final long finish long thing. I changed the name so that you can understand well. Timer dot set visibility. We pass finish and tick. You can set the time according to your Now on finish, we set the text, regenerate OTP, and set the visibility and display one toast message. The display finish. Now set timer dot set visibility invisible and call cancel. Here we start. Now button dot generate OTP method. Inside this method, here we set button generate dot OTP set visibility invisible. Now we work on sign in button dot set and visible. Click listener. Now get OTP. Here we verify our OTP. Here phone auth credential. Get. Here we use phone auth provider dot get credential. And inside this method, we pass our verification code send and our get OTP. Then we create one method, sign in with phone number, and here we pass our credentials. Now inside this method, our dot, we use sign in with credential. Here we use method sign in with credential, and in this method we pass our credential dot add on complete listener. Now in on complete method, we switch to our sign in activity. So if task dot is successful, we switch to sign in activity. Call finish. Else it display one toast message. Now click on sign in activity. We use text view, phone number, text view, and button sign out. Now we fetch the ID from XML file by using find view by ID. Here we create Firebase user. Firebase auth dot get instance dot get current user. We use user dot get phone number. So in our text view, we set the current user phone number. Now catch option E. Here we display one toast message. Phone number is not found. Then it display phone number not found. Now on button sign out, we sign out the activity. Here we call Firebase auth dot get instant dot sign out method. Be back to our main activity and finish. Now we run our project. So first we select our country code +91 and then phone number. If you do not provide phone number, show error. Please provide phone number. Now enter the phone number. Click on generate OTP. Code send. Here you can see our OTP. Copy this. Now paste. Click on verify and sign in. Here you can see sign in screen. Click on sign out. You can see the main screen. Now we provide wrong phone number. Then click on generate OTP. After 60 seconds, regenerate OTP button will be visible. Now you can see that regenerate OTP button is visible. You can click on regenerate OTP button to resend the OTP. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.